Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we're going to be talking about the collab feature. This new YouTube monetization feature is helping new and small YouTubers to get monetized. So I spoke about this in my last video, and based on popular demand, a lot of you have been asking me, Creative Blessing, how do we go about this collab feature? Do we need to reach the creator? Do we need to tell the creator? Some persons say, I'm a small YouTuber, how do I get a big creator to collab with me? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to share every single thing you need to know about collaboration, how to generate the link. Yes, you need to generate a link for it, and how to invite this collaborator. I'm going to show you every single thing, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing some things you need to avoid if you want this feature to work perfectly for you. So don't be in a hurry, and if you're seeing my face for the first time on your screen, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video. On this space, we're here to grow 2026. All small new creator, amazing creators, aspiring, we are going to get monetized. All right, so let me show you guys how to do this with your phone, your laptop. Anyone can work. Okay, so I'm going to be using my phone to show you guys how to invite a creator to collaborate with your channel. Pay attention to this. I'm going to take you guys to my YouTube app. Okay, so this is just the normal way you upload your videos. We already know how to upload our videos, so I don't need to tell you how to do that. So you click on the plus sign. I'm going to pick a video. Let me just pick this video, and let's go straight to the collaboration feature. All right, so once you want to upload your video, you have your title, your description, visibility, audience, location, add to playlist, and all of that. So come to where you have invite a collaborator. So this is the creator you want to collaborate with. Like, that's the person you want to collaborate. Okay, now you invite the collaborator. Now once you click on it, you're going to see invite a collaborator. Now you see this search bar. I'm going to click on this search bar. Let's say the name of the creator you're trying to collaborate with is Blessing. Okay, I'm just saying for example. So let's say I'm collaborating with Blessing Onyeka. Now you can see the creator's profile is showing right here. Everything is already showing, and mind you, at the end of this illustration I'm going to tell you what you need to do before you collaborate. Now just pay attention. You're going to see here, it says your collaborator can view video details. Now it is in your power to tell if you want the collaborator to see your analytics, revenue. For some of us that are monetized, if you want that collaborator to see how much you're making from that video, and like your watch hour, your subscribers. But if you don't want them to see it, leave this place blank. But if you want that creator to monitor it, you can just click here, and that will be enabled. So whenever the creator goes to the analytics, they're going to see everything about your video analytics and revenue. All right, so I'm just going to leave this like this, because the main purpose is to get the visibility, remember. All right, so now you're going to create the link. So you click on create link. Now it says copy and share your invite link. Now I'm going to copy this link. Once I copy this link, I will take it to the collaborator. That brings us to the things we need to do before collaborating. Now, most of you have been asking, do I need to tell this creator that I want to collaborate with them? Oh yes. Let's use WhatsApp for example. You want to join a WhatsApp group, and somebody does not tell you about the WhatsApp group. How are you going to feel? The same thing goes with collaborating. You need to let this creator know, hey, I'm going to be inviting you to collaborate, to share your audience, and that creator needs to give you approval. They need to give you their consent, and once they agree, all you just have to do, the link will copy it, just carry that link, give it to the collaborator. The collaborator will click on the link and accept your invite. Very simple. So when I collaborated on my channel, I'm going to share my own story so you guys can understand this collab thing. So there's this creator. He's actually an amazing creator. He's a good person, and We got into talking for some other reasons, and I knew my views was really low, like my channel was really struggling. And guys, I wanted that visibility, so I had to speak to the creator, and I told the creator, please, I would like you to accept my invite. I want to collab with you with one of my videos. And he agreed. So you need to let the creator know that you are inviting them to collab on their channel. This is very important, so you don't get disappointed after generating the link and you send to the person and the person do not reply to you. Now, this is a trick. This link can only last for about 24 to 48 hours. So if your collaborator, or should I say the creator you're trying to collaborate with, do not accept this link within this time frame, you can no longer use that link. So you need to generate another link. So this is the reason you need to let the creator know about it. Now, another question here, I had to write them down. Someone says, how do I collaborate? How do I get the creator to know? Very good question. Some people will be like, I'm a small creator and I want to tell a big creator. Listen, as a small creator, you need to humble yourself to know what you want. You need the visibility, you need the watch hour, and you need the subscribers. Oh, yes. Once you collaborate, it will open doors for a lot of opportunities like subscribers, watch time, and more visibility. Now, you need to humble yourself. Send them an email. You can reach them through their social media contacts, some of them through their mails. Try to see how to reach this creator and make sure you already have an agreement. The creator gives you an approval. So whenever you make the video and you want to upload that video, you just have to send the link to that creator. So I hope I've been able to answer that particular question. And guys, just to add to this, if you meet a creator to collaborate with you and they reject your request or your offer or whatever it is, don't be discouraged. Listen, YouTube is a phase. Most of these big creators, they took out time to grow their channels. Before, we don't used to have this collaborating feature. It's a new feature, and most of them grew their channel from scratch. So once when you see someone that is willing to collaborate with you, just see yourself to be lucky. Take it as a good opportunity. Don't feel entitled. Even if they don't collaborate with you, it is fine. It doesn't mean that you can no longer get monetized. There are no other features to try. The truth is, there are a lot of things here you can do to get monetized. I personally did not get monetized with Collab. I am going to be very honest. But Collab is going to help you, especially when you're struggling to get the visibility and the views. So we're going to get to that. If you have watched to this point, congratulations, because I'm going to be sharing what you need to avoid, especially small creators. You need to avoid this one if you want to start collaborating. Do well to like this video, subscribe while I continue. All right, if you want to collaborate, make sure you are serious and hardworking, because this collab feature will expose your channel to new creator, a new audience entirely. And if these people come to your channel and they see that you are not consistent, you're not faithful, you're not giving out value as you should, they will not follow you up. In fact, you'll still post videos and get low retention. So before collaborating, make sure you're ready. Now, another thing, before collaborating, work on your channel, work on yourself. Guys, listen, no big creator will want to collaborate with an unserious creator. Your channel needs to be up and doing. It may not be the best or biggest channel, but that creator needs to see something to really trust about your channel, to say, okay, this creator is actually serious and hardworking, and this creator is what's giving my audience, because it's just like they're sharing their audience with you. And basically, we get to benefit. You, as the person asking, gets to benefit from this. They don't even benefit much because they are the ones giving you a lift. It's just like someone lifting you up. Let me use that illustration. Now, another thing you need to avoid collaborating with niches that are not same with your own. They are not in line with your niche. Before you ask a creator to collaborate, Make sure you share same audience, same values, same videos. Do not collaborate with an entire different niche. Make sure the niche aligns with your niche. Some of us will be like, why do I have to do this? Because you do not want the wrong people coming to your channel. You need the right people to come to your channel and watch your video. So you have to be very careful when you want to collaborate. Make sure you're collaborating with creators in your niche. So guys, this is just one of the many features that YouTube has rolled out. A lot of small YouTubers have used it to monetize. I know so many of them, I don't need to call names. They have monetized their YouTube channel with these features, and this collab is one of them. So don't wait till when someone will come and tell you, I have gotten monetized, before you do this. Make sure you follow these procedures and make sure you do these things the right way. And if you have any more questions you want to ask, you can ask me in this video. I'm going to make sure to answer each and every one of your questions. And I hope this is helpful, and I hope this answers your collab question. All right, guys. So thank you for the support, the like, the views. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Stay tuned. If you know you want to grow 2025, this is the right space to be. Bye.